Woodapple Resources Private Limited.
Welcome students to an enriching learning journey ahead with Woodapple Resources. Class 2 EVS. I'm your teacher Yug. Here are your friends.
I'm Whoopi. I'm Abby.
Dear students, today I'm going to teach you Chapter 6. Let's be happy. Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn about festivals and their significance. Before we start the lesson, let us have some fun with an interesting activity. Look at these colorful pictures. Can you tell me what festival each picture represents? I will say the name of a festival and you will tell us things associated with it. Diwali,
Lights, fireworks, sweets.
Holi,
Colors, water balloons, sweets.
Eid ul Fitr,
Sivaiyan, fasting. Eid Mubarak.
Christmas.
Santa Claus, gifts. Christmas tree.
Great job, Whoopi. Festivals are special times when people come together to celebrate and have fun. They are like big parties where we get to enjoy delicious food, play games, and spend time with our loved ones.
Hi Whoopi, I am new here and I do not know much about Dussehra. Can you tell me what it is all about?
This festival is celebrated for 10 days. We also call it Vijayadashmi, which means the victory of good over evil. It is a time when we remember the story of Lord Rama defeating the demon king Ravan. People gather to watch plays called Ram Leela that depict this epic tale. On the final day, giant effigies of Ravan, his son Meghnad, and his brother Kumbhakaran are burned amidst great joy and celebration. It is a time of victory, joy and unity for everyone. Festivals सब साथ मिलकर मनाते हैं और खुश होते हैं। दशहरा एक ऐसा ही त्योहार है जिसमें बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत को याद किया जाता है। इस दिन भगवान राम ने रावण को पराजित किया था। लोग इस दिन रामलीला देखने जाते हैं, रावण के पुतले को जलाते हैं।
Holi is the festival of colors. It marks the end of winter and the beginning of summer. People gather around a huge bonfire on the evening of Holi. The next day, we celebrate the arrival of spring by applying vibrant colors, spraying water, and enjoying delicious sweets like gujiyas. It is a time when people forget their differences and come together to play and laugh, spreading love and happiness everywhere. Eid ul Fitr is a special day for our Muslim friends. It comes after a month of fasting during Ramadan. On this day, Muslims break their fast and celebrate with a special sweet dish called Sevaiyan. They greet each other with Eid Mubarak and visit friends and family to share the joy of the occasion. It is a time of reflection, gratitude and generosity.
ईद उल फित्र एक खास त्योहार है। इसमें लोग रमजान के महीने में रोज़ा खोलते हैं। इस दिन सिवैयाँ बनाई जाती हैं और ईद मुबारक कहते हैं। दोस्तों और परिवार के साथ मिलकर खुशियाँ बांटते हैं।
In many parts of the world, including the US, Europe and many other countries, Christmas is a magical time. It is all about celebrating the birth of Jesus Christ. People decorate their homes with twinkling lights and shiny decorations. Families go to church to pray, sing carols together, and exchange gifts. They also decorate Christmas trees with gifts, lights, and bells. It is a day of love and giving.
क्रिसमस दुनिया भर में जीसस के जन्मदिन के रूप में मनाया जाता है। लोग अपने घर को डेकोरेट करते हैं, चर्च जाके प्रार्थना करते हैं, कैरल्स गाते हैं, क्रिसमस ट्री को स्टार्स और घंटियों से सजाते हैं।
Raksha Bandhan is a beautiful festival that celebrates the bond between brothers and sisters. Sisters tie colorful threads called Rakhi on the wrists of their brothers, and brothers promise to protect their sisters. It is like promising to be superheroes for each other. They also exchange gifts and eat yummy sweets. It is a day to admire, love and care for each other.
रक्षाबंधन भाई बहन के प्यार का त्योहार है। बहनें भाइयों को राखी बांधकर एक दूसरे की सुरक्षा करने का वादा करते हैं और एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट भी देते हैं।
Lastly, we have our national festivals: Independence Day, Republic Day and Gandhi Jayanti. These are very important days for our country. Independence Day is a very special day for our country, India. We celebrate it on the 15th of August every year. It was a day when we become free from British rules. On this day, our Prime Minister hoists the national flag at the Red Fort in Delhi. People all over the country also raise the flag in their homes, schools and offices. We have parades, cultural programs and flag hoisting ceremonies to celebrate our freedom and honor the sacrifices made by our heroes.
स्वतंत्रता दिवस हम 15 अगस्त को मनाते हैं। इस दिन प्रधानमंत्री लाल किले पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को फहराते हैं।
Republic Day is celebrated on the 26th of January each year. It is a day when we honor the adoption of our Constitution, which took place on this day in 1950. The President unfurls the national flag at the Rajpath in Delhi, and there is a grand parade showcasing the diversity and unity of our nation. We see colorful floats, cultural performances, and the display of military strength. It is a day to feel proud of being an Indian and to celebrate our democratic values.
Do you know, we also have a special celebration called Dan Utsav, also known as the Joy of Giving Week. It was launched in 2009 and is celebrated every year from the 2nd of October to 8th of October. Dan Utsav is a festival of giving where people come together to practice kindness, generosity and charity. रिपब्लिक डे जो हर साल 26 जनवरी को मनाया जाता है, ये हमारे संविधान के स्थापना का गौरव दिवस है। इस दिन राष्ट्रपति राजपथ पर राष्ट्रीय ध्वज को फहराते हैं और परेड का आनंद लेते हैं। दान उत्सव भी एक विशेष उत्सव है जो हर साल 2 अक्टूबर से 8 अक्टूबर तक मनाया जाता है, जिसमें लोग एक दूसरे के लिए दया, उदारता और दान का महत्व समझते हैं।
Gandhi Jayanti is a day dedicated to Mahatma Gandhi, who played a significant role in India's independence movement. We celebrate it on the 2nd of October, which is also his birthday. On this day, leaders of our country pay tribute to Gandhiji by visiting his memorial at Rajghat in Delhi. People from all walks of life gather to offer prayers and remember his teachings of truth, non-violence and peace.
महात्मा गांधी के जन्मदिन को गांधी जयंती के रूप में मनाया जाता है। गांधी जी की भारत के स्वतंत्रता आंदोलन में महत्वपूर्ण भूमिका थी। हम उनको उनके जन्म दिवस पर राजघाट पर श्रद्धांजलि देते हैं और उनके अहिंसा और सत्य के संदेश को याद करते हैं।
Today we learn festivals are vibrant celebrations filled with joy and cultural significance. The Shehra symbolizes the victory of good over evil. On this day, Ramlila exacts the effigies of Ravan in burnt. Holi marks the arrival of spring with colorful festivities, including water balloons, vibrant colors and delicious gujiyas. spreading happiness and love. Eid ul-Fitr celebrates the end of Ramadan with fasting, sweet sevaiyan, and warm wishes, Eid Mubarak. Christmas commemorates the birth of Jesus Christ with decorations and joyful gatherings with loved ones. Raksha Bandhan strengthens the bond between siblings. Rakhi is tied to the wrists of brothers by sisters, and brothers promises protection and affection for sisters. National festivals like Independence Day, Republic Day, and Gandhi Jayanti honor India's history, unity, and freedom fighters. Dan Utsav, the joy of giving week, encourages acts of kindness, generosity, and charity, promoting a culture of compassion and sharing. Thank you for joining us. Keep learning and exploring with Wood Apple Resources.